Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In the last tutorial we textured this door and the pipe and this light. So let's finish the texturing for this environment today. So let's go to texture set list and select the ceiling. And for this let's use this concrete clean. Drop it here. Change the projection to triplanar and increase the scale. Let's take 5. Turn down the scratches a little bit. Open the technical parameters and decrease the height range to 0.02 and increase this damage. Enable this normal channel. Open the color and let's change it a little bit. Something like this. Now again go to texture set list and select the floor. Open the layers and let's remove this one. For the floor and this wall I'm going to use some textures from Quixel Bridge. Now select all these texture maps and import them in Substance. Define them as textures. Now take a new fill layer, and for this AO map let's go to texture set settings and create this ambient occlusion channel. Go to layers and here you'll see this AO, enable it. Select this AO map and drop it here. Roughness goes to roughness and displacement goes to height, normal to normal, and base color to base color. Change the projection to triplanar and let's increase the scale to 3. Maybe 4. Now go back to texture set list and let's select this wall. Go to layers, remove this one, take a new fill layer. And for the wall let's take this texture here. Select them and drop it in Substance. Define them as textures. And import to your project. Now take a new fill layer. And I've already enabled the AO channel for this one. So let's select this and import it in the AO. This goes to roughness, then normal, height, and base color. Now change the projection to triplanar and increase the scale. Now to change the color of this tile, right click and add a filter. Select this HSL perceptive and change the hue a little bit. Something like this. And let's increase the saturation to 0.55 and lightness to 0.47. Now take a new fill layer and disable normal, height, metal and AO. Increase the roughness and go to your smart mask and select this ground dirt, drop it on this layer. Open this mask editor and increase the global balance. Go back to this layer and change its color. Something like this, and select this mask editor, then decrease the opacity. Also this grunge map. Take a new fill layer and disable everything except the height and roughness. Increase the roughness and keep the height to -0.1. Then add a black mask and add a fill, and in this fill let's add some scratches. Turn down the balance and go back here. Let's enable the color and make it a little bit darker, something like this. Change the projection of this scratch to triplanar. Now we can see some damages here. Now go back to texture set list and select this floor. Come back to layers and take a new fill layer. Again, change it to triplanar. Also disable normal, height, metal and AO. Increase the roughness. So select this sharp dirt and drop it on your fill layer. Open this grunge map and change the projection to triplanar. Also this dirt, change it to triplanar. Then increase the dirt level. And change the opacity to 30. So pretty much that's it for this video. So let's just export everything. Go to file and export textures. Select your folder. So take the file size to PNG and texture size to 4K and export. Our textures are exported. So that's it for this video, and in the next video we are going to take everything and set up our environment in Maya, assign all the textures and add some lighting. So if you liked this video, then you can subscribe to the channel and follow me on the Instagram. You can also join my Discord server. You can find all the links in the description, so go check that out, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.